Friends, welcome to Forex Raja, your channel for GBPINR analysis for tomorrow's trade, which is 12th of August. Yesterday, friends, मैंने बोला था आपको कि अगर 96 लेवल को ये तोड़ता नहीं, 96 लेवल पे हमने बाई दिया था कल, ये by yesterday evening it went up, it came down, and you can see near 96.50 it took support, and we had clearly told that 96.5 if it breaks it will straight go to 97. It went to 97 and it is sustaining above 97.10, and we had again given a call in the morning in my premium channel. I had given a call when the price was at 96.6 for a buy call with a stop of 96.4, and already people made good profits out of this. Now what is next for GBP INR? For that one, what we will do is, because this is a this is a 1 hour candle, let's switch to a 1 day candle so that we can give clarity. So you can see here the next level for GBP INR is here. If we are able to hold 97.32 and above, sorry, it comes somewhere here, here. If we are able to hold the 97, if 97.32 के ऊपर रहता है GBP INR, then the trend is up and we can test this level, which will come to 97.88. Above 97.88 बहुत बड़ा रैली है GBP INR में, बट 97.88 तक जाने तक we have to see how does that behave. डाउन साइड पे अभी सपोर्ट की बात करें तो डाउन साइड का सपोर्ट है यहाँ exactly at 96.5. So the downside support is on 96.5. Below 96.5 you have to be on the sell side, and above 96.5 you have to be on the buy side. So 96.5 को ब्रेक करता है नीचे तो हम सेल करेंगे, 96.5 के ऊपर है तो हम ऑन द बाइंग साइड रहेंगे, एंड ऑब्जर्विंग लेवल फॉर अस इज 97.32. 97.32 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है 15 मिनट्स पे तो अगेन वी विल बी ऑन द बाई साइड फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 97.88. तो लेट्स सी हाउ द ट्रेंड गोes from here. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can give you daily updates on GBPINR. Share our YouTube channel with your friends and family who are interested in trading. Help us, support us. At the same time, we also have our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can join our Telegram channel. Let's see what happens on the trade tomorrow. Happy trading.